Breeding Shetland Sheepdogs, essential considerations for responsible breeders. Shetland Sheepdog breeding, important considerations. Breeding dogs is a responsible and rewarding endeavor, but it requires careful planning and consideration. When it comes to breeding Shetland Sheepdogs, also known as Shelties, there are several important factors that breeders need to keep in mind. In this article, we will explore these considerations to help prospective breeders make informed decisions. First and foremost, it is crucial to understand the breed standard and ensure that your Shelties meet the required criteria. The American Kennel Club, AKC, and other kennel clubs have set specific standards for Shetland Sheepdogs in terms of appearance, temperament, and overall breed characteristics. Breeding dogs that conform to these standards is essential to maintaining the integrity of the breed. Health is another key consideration in Shetland Sheepdog breeding. Before breeding, both the male and female should undergo thorough health screenings to detect any potential hereditary issues. Shelties are prone to certain health conditions, such as hip dysplasia, progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, and von Willebrand's disease. It is essential to ensure that both parents are free from these and other hereditary diseases to minimize the risk of passing them on to the offspring. In addition to health screenings, it is advisable to perform genetic testing on potential breeding dogs. This can help identify carriers of certain genes that may cause health issues in their offspring. By choosing to breed only dogs that are clear of any genetic abnormalities, breeders can significantly reduce the risk of inherited diseases in future generations. Temperament is another vital aspect to consider in Sheltie breeding. Shetland Sheepdogs are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and sweet nature. It is crucial to select breeding dogs with stable temperaments to ensure that these desirable traits are passed down to their puppies. Aggression or anxiety issues should be a red flag, and such dogs should not be used for breeding purposes. When it comes to breeding Shetland Sheepdogs, responsible breeders must prioritize the welfare of the dogs. Breeding should never be done solely for financial gain. It is essential to have a genuine love and understanding of the breed and a strong desire to improve it. Breeding should only be undertaken with the goal of producing healthy, well-tempered Shelties that meet the breed standard. Another consideration is finding suitable homes for the puppies. Responsible breeders should carefully vet potential buyers to ensure that they are capable of providing a loving and appropriate environment for the puppies. It is important to educate buyers about the breed's specific needs, as well as the responsibilities that come with owning a Shetland Sheepdog. Before embarking on the breeding journey, it is recommended to establish connections with experienced Shetland Sheepdog breeders and join breed clubs or associations. Learning from established breeders can provide valuable insights and guidance throughout the breeding process. It is essential to stay updated with the latest research, advancements, and best practices in Shetland Sheepdog breeding to continually improve and contribute positively to the breed. Lastly, breeders should be prepared for the challenges that come with breeding. It is a time-consuming and emotionally demanding process. Breeders must be ready to handle medical expenses, provide appropriate care for the dam and her puppies, and be prepared for potential complications during the birthing process. It is important to have a support system in place and seek help from qualified veterinarians or experienced breeders if needed. In conclusion, breeding Shetland Sheepdogs requires careful consideration and planning. Breeders must ensure that their dogs meet the breed standard, undergo health screenings, and are clear of any genetic abnormalities. Temperament, welfare, and responsible placement of puppies are also critical factors to consider. By prioritizing these considerations and continually educating oneself, breeders can contribute positively to the Shetland Sheepdog breed while producing healthy and well-tempered puppies.